let's solve how to write a pattern program along with the space. So in this example, what we are observing is there are 3 rows and 3 columns. In each row, first data starting from 1. And second observation, there is a 2 space and then 1. There's a 1 space and then data and then 0 space. So space loop is 2, 1, 0. And space has to be before printing. Which loop do the printing? Inner loop is a column and inner loop job is to do the printing. Outer loop is just to repeat. It is considered as a row. So before printing, you need a space. So what we'll do is we'll go as per our rule. Every time each row, if you observe here, first column starting from 1. So start j equal to 1. Second observation, in each row, read the column. So first row, first data is 1. Second row, first data is 1 and then 2. So 1, 2, which means it shows the increment while printing in the column. So we put j++. Now, inner loop has to iterate for first time only 1 time, second time 2 times, and third time 3 times. So we try to control through I, and we got a value for I should be, initially it has to be 1, then only inner loop iterate 1 time. So I has to be 1. And since there are 3 rows, we'll iterate for 3 times. And now we'll plan for the space. This is printing job. Just before printing, there is a space 2, 1, 0. So here also we try to control through I. So S equal to I. The initial value of I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 2. Yes. Why we are putting 2? Because we want to iterate it for 2 times because there is a 2 space. So it will iterate 1 is less than 2. Yes. 2 is less than 2. Yes. In the second row, when I will become 2, so 2 is less than 2. Yes. It will iterate 1 time. And in the third row, when I become 3, 3 is less than 2. No. And if you observe, there is no space. So this is one independent loop whose job is to print, that is the inner loop and column. And just before printing, you have an independent loop of space. So let's read entire this thing. I equal to 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes. So it will go inside. S equal to 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. This I iterate 2 times. So it will print space. Plus 2 is less than 2. Yes. 1 more space. So it will first print this 2 space. Then it will come 3. 3 is less than 2. No. It will jump out. And it will start the column ka loop. J equal to 1. I is 1, so it will iterate 1 time and it will print 1. Then 2 is less than 1. No, you set the cursor on the next line. Then I will become 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes. Since I is 2, S will get a value 2. 2 is less than 2. Yes. It will give 1 space. Then plus. 3 is less than 2. No. Condition false, you jump out. J start from 1. I is 2. So it will iterate 2 time and it will print 1, 2. The moment J become 3, 3 is less than 2. No, you set the cursor on the next line. Now, in the last iteration, I will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 3. Yes. Since I is 3, S will get a value 3. 3 less than 2. No. So there is no space if you observe on the last row. So you jump out. I is 1. J equal to 1. And I is 3. So this will iterate 3 times and print 1, 2, 3. The moment you become 4, it will set the cursor on the next line. Then I plus, I'll become 4. 4 is less than 3? No. So in this, rule will apply same. Only thing you have to write an independent loop for the space, and that also you try to control through I.